do subscribe. Please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you, okay? Please remember, I am doing this for free of charge. I don't ask you for anything. So, please support me, okay? Right, first of all, we're going to go over this move. Alright, it's a little simple variation of either that or just your standard bicep clutch, okay? So you newbies, if you're a beginner, you can get into this pretty easily, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to be holding the nunchuck at the bottom of the stick here, and that is going to become handy for passing the same stick that you were holding to the same leg, okay? So this is just a variation of the same stick pass, okay? If you're not aware of that, it looks like this. So I'll leave a link in the description below for that move. It is called the pinwheel. So yeah, awesome. Right, so what we're doing, okay, is we're going to have this at the bottom of the stick, and I'm going in a anti-clockwise spin. So try and make sure that you're going in an anti-clockwise spin, okay? Right, Sandy? Good girl. You know, you're going in an anti-clockwise spin, okay? What I then want you to do, okay, is I want you to go down, turn the nunchuck round, and basically plop it underneath. So you go here like this, okay? You will notice, yeah, the nunchuck will go to rest on top of your leg. Sandy, excuse me, beep beeps, beep beeps. Yeah, so it will go to rest on top of your legs like so, okay? What you then need to do, okay, is you just bring your hand down, grab it. At the same time, yeah, as you open your leg, you're going to wrist roll and raise your hand. From there, you're just going to go into your standard bicep clutch, and that's it done. So, yeah, practice it. Feel free to leave us a comment. If you're struggling with anything, leave us a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you, okay? So, hope you're having an amazing Christmas, and I'll see you again soon, guys.